here we are at the city, about 83.5, 84 feet. See, it's clay. Lots of cobwebs. There's an offset and a turn. More cobwebs.
Yeah, I think like a less people about it, but I think that's fine if you guys want to.
Still in the clay.
No, I don't.
Another turn.
Okay, that's fine. I said I can actually talk. That's fine.
Now we're in what I think is transite. Little offset, a little bit of sediment on the side, and a little bit of roots. That's probably the worst spot in there. Another couple spots. My camera's twisting. Apologies. Back to normal. This is the low spot, not a lot of visibility. I'm just wondering if it's the offset. Looks like there might be a few roots in there. It's hard to tell what exactly is going on there. This is all cast. Another bit of a low spot. This is cast, sorry. Looks pretty good, a little bit of scale here, which is not atypical. And we're back. Still in the cast. And now we're making our way to the upright, the stack. A little water in there. Camera kind of holding it there. Low visibility, I apologize. Not a whole lot to see anyway. And we're in PVC. And that is my clean out. As you can see. Thank you.